Hello, my name is Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and I am your coach, doctor, and dietitian. I own Imagine Wellness, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite books, favorite children books. This is called There Is No Such Thing as a Dragon by Jack Kent. If you have not read this book, pause this video, go get it, go order it, and come back. But I want to talk about the principles, and this is a spoiler alert. We're going to talk about the very, very end. So the whole premise of this book is there is a young child, and the child's name, oh my gosh, I'm having a brain fart, is Billy Bixby. He discovers that there's a dragon in his room, and no one believes him. No one believes in his life. They're like, there's no such thing as a dragon, stop, and they don't validate his experience. And throughout the book, the dragon starts to take over Billy's life. He becomes huge. He kind of destroys the house. He destroys all of these things. And he really, really is getting in the way until the people in Billy's life notice the dragon and validate that he's here. In the very end of the book, I am going to spoil it for you, the mom notices, so the dragon kind of gets out of hand, and that's when the mom notices. The mom, once the dragon is noticed, it shrinks. And he goes back down to a really appropriate size, like a small dog, lap dog. And the mom says, you know what? I don't mind dragons this size. Why did it have to grow so big? And the best part of the book is Billy says, well, I'm not sure, but I think that he just wanted to be noticed. Oh, and I love this, because so many times in my work with people over 20 years, at the heart of a lot of pain, whether it be grief or trauma, it takes a witness, a trusted witness, someone in your life to notice. And when someone notices you and says, I see you, really validating your experience or your emotion or your feeling, feels so good. And it's almost hard to use language to describe how validation feels, but when you truly, authentically feel noticed, sometimes these really heavy, large emotions, they shrink, and they might not go away, but they don't become as disturbing. They don't become as dysfunctional, and you're able to take steps forward in whatever journey you're taking, whether it be a yellow brick road or through the forest or whatever. You're able to get through your day because someone took the time to sit next to you and notice what you're going through. And this book, I have sometimes my clients, we read it together, is so prophetic in this lesson of validation and noticing. And if you don't have someone in your life that you feel safe enough to be you, that you feel like you are being noticed, find somebody. And if that requires a therapist or a coach, that's what I love to do in my practice, is taking the time to get to know your story to help you move forward, to help you get to your goals of recovery or weight or body or really navigating food in a different way. I want to help you get there. And sometimes it just takes a different approach than a 6-week diet or an 8-week whatever. Those are just actions. Sometimes what we actually want is someone to look at our beliefs and our thoughts and our emotions we just didn't know. Read this book. It's a great gift for the holiday season, if you're watching this and it's in the holiday season, and I highly, highly recommend. So again, my name is Dr. Patty Ann Ford. Thank you for being here on my YouTube. Go get this, and if this was value to you, like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Okay, bye.